Welcome to MarsWebTech, your all-in-one platform for content creation and management. Today, I'll show you how our powerful RSS feed automation feature can revolutionize your content strategy and save you hours of work. The RSS feed section has three main components that work together to power your content machine: RSS feed, following feeds, and feeds activity. Under RSS feed, you'll find a curated selection of high-quality content sources already set up for you. As you can see, we've integrated Google Trends from multiple countries to ensure you always have access to trending topics. Notice how each feed shows you exactly how many new articles are available. Each article comes with valuable data like estimated traffic, category, and publication date. Notice how some articles are showing 5,000 plus traffic, while others are trending with 50,000 plus views. This helps you identify which topics are gaining the most traction. Click on an article to show details. Let's check out this article. You get the full description, category information, and even related articles from various sources. One of the best features of our RSS feed automation is its direct publishing capability. Whether you want to instantly post, save as a draft, or schedule for later, our system seamlessly integrates with your WordPress or Blogger site. No manual work, just automated, hassle-free content. Now let's look at your Feeds Activity tab. This shows you all articles you've published through our RSS automation. You can see the status of each article, which platform it was published to, and when. Navigate to Following Feeds. The Following Feeds section is where you'll track feeds you've subscribed to. As you add feeds, they'll appear here for easy management. Join the growing community of bloggers and marketers who've transformed their workflow with MarsWebTech. Connect with us on Telegram for exclusive insights and support, or reach out directly at marswebtechinfo@gmail.com